Upgrade your driving experience with the 7-inch Apple CarPlay screen from ZEMBUKIL. This HD portable car stereo is packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless access to apps, maps, calls, and music, all through voice control for safer hands-free driving. Equipped with a high-definition backup camera, it automatically displays clear rear-view visuals when reversing, making parking safer and easier. The 7-inch IPS touchscreen offers vivid 1080p Full HD resolution and real-time GPS navigation, so you never miss a turn. Enjoy wireless mirror link compatibility with almost all iOS and Android smartphones, letting you watch movies, use maps, or stream videos directly on the big screen. Best of all, installation is a breeze. Just plug into your car's cigarette lighter and mount it with the self-adhesive bracket. Perfect for cars, trucks, trailers, and more. Transform your drive today. Click the link below to grab